338, there ain't no way you're barefoot sounding that good up around Canton, Ohio. 8338, there ain't no way you're barefoot sounding that good out here around Canton, Ohio, but Audio Man waved at you one time if I can.
They call me the dog in the mobile. Galveston, Texas, standing by.
338, quit pulling all them chains out there. Ain't nobody got no doggone leash on. Ain't nobody got no doggone leash on. Quit pulling all them chains out there. You and that bad sounding mobile. You said barefoot. I can't believe you're barefooted, but hey, if you say so, I guess that's the way it is. Ain't no doubt. Audio Man around Canton, Ohio is right back out. Listening, guys, I'm just trying to get a cigarette made here, but yeah, 338 said he's barefoot out there in that mobile, man. It's real hard to believe, but I mean, I ain't calling nobody a liar, but he loud in that mobile up here around Canton, Ohio right now. I mean, loud, ain't no doubt about that. Hello everybody down around the Longhorn, the Big Horn, the Longhorn, whatever which way you want to call that horn, ain't no doubt. Audio Man waved again. I'm right back out. Alright, man, I'll tell you what though, I don't know. I just don't know what to think about this radio today. Y'all in the mobile down there around the Bighorn saying you're barefoot and everything like that. And I'm like, man, you gotta be joking me. Barefoot radio sounding that good up here around the Buckeye like that? Must have some monster antennas going on. That's all I can think. You know, that's where most of it's at anyway, they say. They say it's all in the antenna. I don't know about all that, but either way, you guys are sounding good out of the Bighorn. Audio Man got down.
Man, big brother. Well, I hope everything's fine. I hope you had a good catfish and Thanksgiving catfish. You need to come in. Shoot me that. How you doing? I'll shoot you a turkey next year, man, coming here. You know, I sent you one about 5 years ago, big brother. No doubt about it. I'll shoot you another one, man. Oh, it's the real deal. You're a real good friend. You blew our soul, brother, on this end. They call me Toolbox in Texas. Oh, real deal. Look at that. I got down with it and I'm gone.
We're making all that noise out there, Toolbox. I'm gonna wave at you real quick, man. Hello out there, Mr. Toolbox. Audio Man got down. Someone's calling me. What's going on, Mr. Bad News? Oh, sitting here listening to the radio. How do I do my audio? Oh, you want her to hear that voice? Oh, okay. I want to hear that voice, huh?
You hear me right there? Oh, goodness gracious. How you doing there, darling? Come on down. Come on over here around Canton, Ohio. Well, what's the problem out there? You got what's going on? Putting some doggone needles in that man down there, or you just rubbing him real?
Yeah, well, I hope he got him a good one this time. I'm done with him, cat digger. I sit here and talk on my cat digger radio, hunt my fish, fish my bass, do whatever I want. Ain't no one gonna tell me what to do. Yeah, I'm saving my money.